In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Jira. Whether you're brand new to Jira or just need a little refresher, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a new project set up and ready to go. First off, let's navigate to the left panel of your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Projects. As you hover your cursor over it, you'll see a subtle plus icon appearing right next to the word. This is your gateway to starting a new project. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. Doing so will prompt Jira to guide you through the project creation process. What you'll see next is a selection of project templates. Jira helps simplify your setup by offering these pre-configured templates tailored for various types of projects. Take a moment to browse through the options. When you find a template that suits your needs, perhaps it aligns well with the nature of your work or the structure you're aiming for, click on Use Template. This selection ensures that the project framework is aligned with your team's requirements and goals. After choosing the template, the next step is naming your project. Choose a name that clearly represents the scope or purpose of your project, making it easy for anyone involved to understand its objective at a glance. Also, there's an option to add a prefix key for your work items. This prefix is like a shorthand identifier, which can be useful if you want an easy way to reference items quickly and uniquely within this project. If you have a specific format in mind, feel free to customize it. Otherwise, you can let Jira auto-populate it for you. The next consideration is the access level. Here, you need to decide who should be able to view and contribute to this project. You might opt for a private setting if it's sensitive, or open it to a broader group if collaboration is your goal. Make a choice based on your team's needs and the nature of the project. Having the right level of access can facilitate smooth workflows and maintain necessary confidentiality or openness. With all these settings in place, you're ready for the final step, clicking Create Project. This swift action will confirm your choices and spin up your project instantly. There you have it. Your project is now set up and ready for action, and that's all there is to it. With your new project in Jira, you're all set to start assigning tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating with your team. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope it makes your Jira experience both productive and enjoyable. Happy project managing!